cream shop. And this one is my ice cream scooper. And this one is my whipped cream. And then this is mine. And then this one is my Skittles. And then this is my papers, which is our sandwich, ice cream sandwich. And then these one are my ice cream. My flavors are rainbow, bubblegum, strawberry, and pumpkin. And it's
They have strawberry ice cream, please.
so I'm gonna eat it. Large or small?
Small. And then,
You want bubblegum?
yes.
Or-
Okay, bubble gum.
And then
Okay, how much? Or can you put some whipped cream?
sprinkles.
Okay, so first. How much? Okay. Here's my payment. Okay.
Okay. Here's your card.
Thank you. More ice cream. Thank you.